Hi kids! Welcome to our animal adventure. Today, we are going to learn about farm animals, the sounds they make, and some fun facts about them. Are you ready?
First, we have the dog. The dog says, "Woof." Can you woof like a dog? Woof. Dogs are known as man's best friend because they are loyal and love to play. Next, we have the cat. The cat says, "Meow." Can you meow like a cat? Meow. Cats are very curious animals and love to explore and play with toys. Here comes the cow. The cow says, "Moo." Can you moo like a cow? Moo. Cows give us milk, which we use to make yummy things like cheese and ice cream. Next, we have the sheep. The sheep says, "Baa." Can you baa like a sheep? Baa. Sheep have fluffy wool that we use to make warm clothes and blankets. Here's the goat. The goat says, "Bleat." Can you bleat like a goat? Bleat. Goats are very curious and love to climb and explore. Next, we have the horse. The horse says, "Neigh." Can you neigh like a horse? Neigh. Horses are very strong and can run fast. They have been friends with humans for thousands of years. Here comes the chicken. The chicken says, "Cluck." Can you cluck like a chicken? Cluck. Chickens lay eggs that we eat for breakfast. Next, we have the duck. The duck says, "Quack." Can you quack like a duck? Quack. Ducks have webbed feet that help them swim, and they love to splash in the water. Here's the pig. The pig says, "Oink." Can you oink like a pig? Oink. Pigs are very intelligent and love to roll in the mud to keep cool. Next, we have the donkey. The donkey says, "Hee-haw." Can you hee-haw like a donkey? Hee-haw. Donkeys are very strong and help farmers carry heavy loads.